All right, what's up, y'all? We out here with my daughter. Got her out here at this park, and it's a little gas station on the corner over here, right? It used to be an AM, PM, now it's like all kind of names. And so she was like, "Oh, you want to get some treats?" I'm like, "All right, whatever." So we go over there, and inside this gas station, they had this chicken place. It's called Chester's Chicken, and it was closed during the pandemic. It closed down. And so I'm like, man, didn't think nothing of it. I was just going to give me a soda and probably a candy or something that I didn't know they had. And lo and behold, Chester Chicken was back in action. So that's it. Chester's Chicken. They had a little meal for $14.99. So I was like, man, I'm gonna go get it. And you get some biscuits. She hooked me up with 4 honey butter biscuits, and these bad boys are warm and they are fluffy filling. She straight gave your boy some honey. Like they know what's happening. Like, okay, so we're gonna tear. Hold on, I don't want the bag to fly away. He's running down here chasing the bag. Get a close up of your boy's grill right there. All right, so I'm gonna tear off a piece of this wing, and we're gonna be back with a bite. Okay, my daughter wants to be in the video.
Hi guys.
All right, so this is some Chester's chicken. This is with no sauce, none of that.
How do it taste?
I don't have no mic or nothing on because I'm outside, but you get a good little crunch.
Yeah, it tastes good.
You got some seasoning on there. I don't know if you can see that. You can definitely see the seasoning in the batter.
Yeah, it's like pepper right here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'll put that right there. Hey, since you got a sauce out, we gotta get some more.
But I'm not.
Okay, so I'm gonna get a little hot sauce on there.
By me, I opened it for him.
Yeah, she opened it. With a little honey.
I do not like honey on my stuff, but I'll just dip some hot sauce.
Yeah, we gotta be sure to clean that up. I don't like to leave a mess. Hot sauce and honey.
Too.
Oh, go right ahead, man. Go right ahead. Yeah, you're good.
Now I will try some ranch.
Okay. It's pretty good. Some of the RC.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got my.
She got Dr. Pepper. Okay. We're not getting paid by them, so let's not celebrate it. Let's go ahead and try this with this ranch.
Taste amazing.
No, they got a crunch factor.
Of course. Cheese.
Mm-hmm.
I want to mix them together like hot sauce and
The hot sauce and ranch. Okay. Okay. So, Chester chicken is good. So if you're ever in Spring Valley, right off the corner of Hamashaw and what is this? Sweetwater Road. Sweetwater Springs Boulevard and Hamashaw, right at the end. Oh yeah, it is, man. It is. Yeah, it is. It's real windy. So if you're on the corner of Sweetwater Springs Boulevard and Hamashaw, and you see that little gas station on the corner with the little strip mall, man, stop on in there and get you some of that Chester's chicken. You know, take it from your boy. It's good. It's legit. And I'm glad they got like some chicken sandwiches and some tenders and all that up in there. So it is definitely worth trying. Chester's chicken, boy. Chicken on the run. So I would be remiss not to try a biscuit. Honey butter. All right. She likes the bottom, so I'm gonna eat the top. I mean, that's a decent biscuit. You know, for a chicken spot in the gas station. Ain't nothing wrong with that. All right, so now we're gonna get to it. Wild berry gummy Skittles. Now, wild berry Skittles was real popular in the neighborhood. It was one of them ones you didn't share. And it looks like they got all the flavors. There it is without spilling. She got the regular ones, the regular flavor Skittles, and I'm sure those are good. So try not to eat them all, so I can try them.
Yeah, and I want to try those too.
Oh yeah. So it has all the flavors, as you can see. And I'm sure they go get those. Don't let the napkins blow because we're civilized people.
They don't.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I'm right here, Craig. Now, those who know, when you get a pack of wild berry Skittles, you get a handful.
And just eat them and like it's real Skittles.
See, you know a little something. I learned her well. You just let them flavors just dance all off your taste buds and just marinate all on your tonsils. Okay. That is good. Chester's chicken. Chicken on the run from the gas station. I sure you got some gas station chicken, baby. I never thought that'd come to San Diego. When you eat gummies and you get older, it's always one that gets stuck on the tooth right there. So you're just gonna dip the biscuit in the ranch. Okay. I mean, hey, whatever. Appreciate y'all checking me out, me and my daughter. Sure they, can you see? I don't know. It's a shadow behind us, so.
Yeah, but I'm
Listen. They are. All right. And we're gonna go ahead and kick it. Let the old food digest. Let her go run around a little bit. And sip some more of this RC and kick back and relax. Y'all be cool out there. Don't forget to check me out on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Keenan just felt like cooking. And you know what's up. You know what's coming. Black Smoke Barbecue, baby. Come on. So I gotta try the original Skittle gummy. That's what they look like. I hope I got the camera right. You know what time it is. We're just gonna throw them in our mouths. Okay, exactly like Skittles.
like gummy.
You would have thought like maybe the flavor would have been off, but it was spot on.